Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Doug with the Ice 9 Headlight Restoration Kits. Just wanted to take a second and talk about one aspect of headlight restoration. And this one factor will either make you a lot of money or just cause a lot of work for you without making a lot of money, and that is speed. Headlight restoration can be extremely profitable if it can be done quickly. The problem is that most of the kits and methods available out there historically have been just too time and labor intensive for it to be profitable. In fact, I've talked to hundreds of managers and shop owners from quick lubes, auto repair shops, brake shops, tire shops, car washes, you name it. Most of the people out there have quit offering headlight restoration altogether. And rightfully so, because it's so time and labor intensive, they just don't have time to do it. However, if you have a auto repair shop, tire shop, quick lube, on average, 1 out of 3 cars coming through there every day needs a headlight restoration. So it's a needed service. And so this is the ability to do a quick restoration is a gold mine waiting to be discovered. So that's why the Ice 9 Headlight Restoration Kit was created. It's the world's fastest, easiest, and most profitable way to do headlights. We use something called Smart Restore technology. In short, Smart Restore technology is a chemical blend and combination that allows anyone with no experience to achieve a high quality, long lasting headlight restoration within 6 to 10 minutes, sometimes 12 minutes if it's a very oxidized set. The first step in Smart Restore technology is called liquid sandpaper. Liquid sandpaper is a special polycarbonate cleaner designed specifically for polycarbonate. What it does is penetrates the surface of the lens and dissolves the yellowing, dissolves the first layer of oxidation, and actually pushes it out. Okay, then you're going to go over it with various grits of sanding sponges, depending on how oxidized it is, and then to finish up, you're going to use your Ice 9 liquid titanium wipe-on UV glaze. And again, this is a wipe-on product, very easy to use. Anybody can do it. You don't have to tape off the headlights. The glaze we're looking at right here has liquid titanium in it, which leaves a hard outer coat, but it has special bonding agents in it that help it bond to polycarbonate, which is one of the hardest things to get something to bond to. And it has some special UV inhibitors which block out UV, which is usually what damages the polycarbonate to begin with. So these two things combined allows anyone with no experience to achieve a quality, long-lasting restoration in just a few minutes. You know, if you own a quick lube, auto repair shop, brake shop, generally speaking, 1 out of 3 cars coming through your shop every day could use a headlight restoration. You know, if you can do 2 headlight restorations a day, you're going to make $35,000, $36,000, $37,000 a year working 20 minutes a day on cars that are already coming through your shop. If you can average 3 a day, you're going to make about $57,000, $58,000 a year working 30 minutes a day on cars that are already coming through your shop. So just wanted to show you real quick. We're fixing to go do a headlight restoration that you'll see in just a minute. This is just a sample light we did. Half of it's refinished, half of it is unrefinished. And there you can see, there's the untouched side, and then there's the refinished side. You can see the clarity in there. And we're fixing to go do a restoration. You'll see in just a minute, so stay tuned. And go check us out at ice9kits.com. ice9kits.com. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.